Hey Dekoni fans! Today, we're going to show you how to install your earpads for the AKG K701s. The stock pads are held in place by 4 clips. To detach the pad, simply twist it counterclockwise, and then gently pull it away from the ear cup. Next, grab your new Dekoni Audio earpads. The pads are symmetrical, so you don't need to worry about which pad to apply to which side. The back of our pads have a groove that the clips fit into. Simply align the grooves with the clips, and then twist the pad clockwise to lock it into place. Repeat the process once more for the other side. And you're now ready to enjoy the enhanced listening experience of your new Dekoni Audio earpads.